Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I'll show you the fastest way to make a viral video in Canva, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now let's start. First, you can just choose a viral template. So instead of editing from scratch, you can pick a template that already has animation, pacing, and text flow. So this will cut editing time by 70%. You can just open Canva and click on the templates in here and choose the mobile video options. Now we can just choose the text that you want, the video that you want in here. For example, I'm going to go with this videos right here. You can click on a video and click on customize this template. And now we can just drag your video in, and Canva automatically replace it with the same size and animation. Super fast. You can also just click on the media in here and tap on delete to replace with your video. You can go to upload and drag your video into the timeline. So let's say this one in here, you can just drag it like this and align the position. You can delete this one, for example, to replace it with your own video. And your first 2 seconds decide whether you go viral. So you need to add a short hook in big bold text like this one. For example, the big bold text is 2024 recap. So you can just change the text with your own by double click on it and replace it with your own. And you need to choose one animation style only, because if it cleans, it means it will go viral. With beat sync, Canva times your cuts to the music automatically. So don't forget to also always add a CTA. This will boost algorithm signals and gives your video more reach. And after that, you can just export by clicking on share, download, and export it in MP4 video format. So that's how you make a viral video in under 5 minutes using Canva. If you want me to share Canva viral templates, you can drop a comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.